fact that the pandemic brought a wave of new investors eager to give a shot at playing the market. To help guide you, I'm here with a list of mistakes you must avoid while investing. Hi everyone, I'm Aishi from Clear. We are India's largest tax and financial services platform where we have served more than 6 million tax filers. Subscribe to our channel to get investing tips and learn more about growing your money. Investing is essential to achieving your goals. It is the only way to make your future better. You are also saving and accumulating a corpus for a rainy day by making investments. Apart from that, making regular investment forces you to set aside a sum regularly, thereby helping you instill a sense of financial discipline in the long run. The first step in planning your investments is to figure out the suitable investment that fits your profile and needs. Here are a few things to keep in mind when planning your investments. Choose the investments carefully after doing adequate research. Don't fall for a quick buck scheme that promises high returns in a short term. Review your stock and mutual fund investments periodically. Consider the tax implication on returns you earn on your investments. Keep things simple and avoid complicated investments that you don't understand. Did the explanation make sense so far? If it did, write clear in the comments below. Folks, let's look at some of the mistakes you should avoid while investing. First, watching the markets constantly. Of all the mistakes I have heard, this one came up the most. While it's normal and generally advised to keep an eye on what's happening in the overall economy, it's easy to get swept up in the excitement or doom and gloom of it all. The markets are constantly moving and trying to follow along in real time. This can lead you to continue checking or changing your investments when you're better off leaving them alone for the long haul. Second, chasing behind trends. A lot of investors make the mistake of chasing trends or what's cool because of FOMO. Always do your due diligence before putting your money in the market. Or as another option for a more hands-off approach, invest passively in the markets through index funds and watch your portfolio grow over time. By using your brokerage account to buy diversified mutual and index funds, you take on less risk than when you buy an individual company's stock. Third, following bad advice from social media. The overall guidance from experts is simple. Don't take investment advice from those who don't know your personal financial situation. For example, you may feel pressured by someone on social media to start investing in a certain company, but they aren't clued into what other investment options you may have. You may be better off putting that money in your employer-sponsored retirement account, especially if your company matches contributions up to a certain percentage of your salary. Fourth, not giving your investments time to grow. When it comes to investing, time is important. Ideally, you should hold investments for as long as you can to maximize your returns. A big mistake is investors bailing out on an investment because they did not double their money in a certain period of time, which is usually days or weeks. Fifth, investing money you'll soon need. People jumping into the markets before building themselves a strong financial foundation is the biggest mistake. Prior to investing, you should feel in control of how you spend your money. A big part of that is building a cash reserve so you don't need to rely on your investments when you run into an emergency or want to make a certain purchase. A good way to know if you're ready to invest is understanding if you have a healthy amount of cash in a savings account set aside for all your near-term goals. So folks, I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I did telling you about the mistakes you should avoid while investing. You can start your investment journey by downloading the Black app by ClearTax from the link given in the description below. Download the Black app to help you grow your wealth and invest wisely. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such finance-related content. See you soon.